In today's video, I'm going to teach you headings in Squarespace SEO, how to set up, use, and style headings on your website, H1, H2, H3, etc. Headings do more than make text big and bold. They create a clear content hierarchy, help search engines understand your pages, and improve accessibility for screen readers. We'll walk through selecting real text on a page, and then styling your global heading fonts so your H1s through H4s look consistent and on brand. Start by going to your website and opening the page editor. Click Edit to enter editing mode, then click a text block so you're inside a live text area. In this example, open the section labeled with January 15th, and then click the sentence that reads, "From workshops to community gatherings, here's what we have coming up. Mark your calendar. We'd love to see you there." Drag to highlight that sentence. This is the text we'll treat as a heading so we can see our style changes in context. Now, move into your site styles to control headings globally. Open Fonts and choose All Font Packs. Select the heading category to focus on heading typography. If you want to compare options, go back to All Font Packs and audition different families. Try a sans serif pack for a clean, modern look, or a mixed pack if you want contrast between headings and body text. For a more editorial feel, select a serif option, such as Instrument Serif. You'll see your highlighted text update as you browse, which makes it easy to judge readability and personality. With a heading font selected, adjust the details. Use the controls for weight to make headings bolder or lighter, size to set visual hierarchy, letter spacing for breathability, and line height for comfortable multi-line headings. These refinements apply site-wide, so small tweaks go a long way. If a font offers multiple styles, test a medium or semi-bold for subheadings and a bold for primary headings to create clear emphasis without shouting. Next, switch to Heading 4 to review a subheading level. Fine-tune its weight, size, and spacing just as you did before, so it complements your larger headings without competing with them. Keep the hierarchy logical. H1 as the primary title, H2s for main sections, and H3s and H4s for subsections. Aim for only one H1 per page, keep headings descriptive, and use keywords naturally while writing for humans first. Return to your page editor, and you'll see the highlighted sentence styled with your new heading choices. Apply this same approach anywhere on your site. Select the text you want to stand out, highlight it, and let your global styles do the work. Preview on desktop and mobile to confirm legibility. Keep contrast strong for accessibility, and ensure spacing makes the hierarchy obvious at a glance. And that's it. Clean, consistent headings that improve design, clarity, and SEO across your Squarespace